All right, y'all, it's been getting cold lately, definitely down here in New Orleans, so it's probably freezing where y'all at. So today I'm gonna show you how to make some vegetable soup, and we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna show you how easy it is, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's go. All right, y'all, so you could buy stew meat, but stew meat is more expensive. You could just get your little roast and go ahead and just cut the fat off of it, okay? And then what I want you to do, you ain't gotta get all the fat, but get as much as you can off of it. And then what I want you to do, y'all, is gonna cut it down to little cubes, okay? Like I said, you can buy the stew meat, but it's more expensive to do it that way for no reason. Cut it yourself, okay? And y'all, I wanted to tell y'all as well, this is a 2.5 pound roast. So, you know what I'm saying? If you want to follow the recipe, y'all, to everything I'm using, this is 2.5 pounds, okay? So you know. All right, y'all, so we got our beef all cubed up. That's waiting on us. Let's get these vegetables cut up, y'all. And then we'll get this thing going, get everything cooked up, okay? So go with 2 stalks of celery, y'all. Go ahead and dice that up, okay? Now I want you to go ahead on and get your bell pepper, y'all. Go ahead and get that all cleaned up and go ahead and do the same thing. Go ahead and dice this up, okay? What we're doing, y'all, is we're getting the Trinity together. Y'all already know, okay? If you watch my videos, you already know about the Trinity. And now, like I always tell y'all, that's where most of the dishes start here in New Orleans, okay? Now check it out, y'all. Go with 2 small onions, or if not, 1 large onion, okay? And just go ahead on, y'all, and dice that up, okay? Okay, y'all, check it out. The 2 stalks of celery is cut up, 1 large bell pepper is cut up, and 2 small onions. Let's go to the stove. All right, y'all, so the first thing you do is throw in a 1/2 stick of butter, okay? That's the first thing. All right, y'all, so the 1/2 stick of butter is melted. Let's go in there with our vegetables, okay? Get that up in there. What you gotta do is, what takes the longest, y'all, when you're making some vegetable soup is getting that meat cooked down, okay? And tender. But I'm about to show y'all. Now check it out. We're gonna throw the vegetables in there. As soon as we got the vegetables in there, we're gonna go in there with the meat, okay? You ain't got to wait for them to cook down or nothing like that, okay? Go straight up in there with the beef. All right. Then I want you to add 3 tablespoons, y'all, of garlic powder, okay? 3 tablespoons of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. That's gonna be the one time in life you're gonna see me use a little bit of this, because we make vegetable soup. We want it to have that flavor, so 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Okay? And of course, 2 or 3 tablespoons of W sauce, okay? Depending on how much you like. I say 2 to 3 at least. Alright, now what I want y'all to do is go ahead and get out a mix around. Come show them inside the pot. I'm gonna get all this mixed up all together, okay? Just like that. Check that out. Yeah, just like that, y'all. Okay? Check it out. When you're working with some beef, you're gonna want to throw down some salt. So go with some salt to taste, okay? On top of that, go with some good black pepper up in there. And then, let's go ahead on and get it all mixed, okay? So after about 10 minutes of just letting the meat get seared up and get a little brown, go ahead and add 3 cups of water and go ahead and give it a mix around, y'all. What I want y'all to do is just let it go ahead and simmer. And when this water's gone, check it out, see if your meat's tender and cooked and everything. If it's not, add another 2 cups, okay? When you ain't got no more water barely left in the pot. We'll check it after these 3 cups of water, though. All right, y'all, so just go ahead on and peel your 6 brown potatoes, y'all. And after you get all 6 done, we're just gonna go ahead and cut them in cubes. I'm gonna show you. But let's just go ahead on and get these potatoes peeled up, 6 of them. All right, now just go ahead on, y'all, and just cut your little potatoes in little cubes, okay? Like I said, not too small, though, because you don't want them to fall apart from getting too tender. So something like that, okay? That's a good little size right there. And just continue that process till all 6 are done. Now just go ahead on, take them, wash them off under cold water, set them aside. We're gonna get to the cabbage, okay? All right, y'all, so you done took your cabbage, and got it all good to go, cut the top off, all right? So now, just go ahead on, look, take your knife, get down up in there, not all the way, okay? Like this. Now you just wanna take your cabbage on and get it shredded down, okay? You don't want your cabbage too big, but just continue that till you get the whole thing done and shred it up. All right, y'all, so the cabbage is cut up. Now look, just go ahead on and then give us some nice cuts. I know this looks like a lot, but remember, cabbage is gonna cook down, okay? It's gonna cook down a fairly decent amount. So you don't want to dice it up too much, but you also don't want big chunks of it, okay? All right, y'all, so look, it's been about a good hour and a half, if not a little more than that. Get your can of the ragu and make sure that it's the tomato, garlic, and onion flavor, okay? Not the meat flavor. Go ahead and pour that right up in there, the whole thing, okay? 24-ounce jar, y'all, the ragu sauce. All right, go with that whole thing. Then get you some whole tomatoes, okay? This can, what is this right here? This is 28 ounces, okay? This is the whole tomatoes, so just take them and just kind of break them up with your hand, okay? Because you don't want big chunks in there, so kind of squeeze them in your hand and breaking them up, all right? Do that to the whole can of them. All right, now go ahead, y'all, and fill up your pot 3/4 of the way with water, okay? All right, y'all, now we're going in there with the 6 potatoes we went ahead on and cut up earlier. Go in there with that now, okay? And then after you do that, go in there with all that cabbage we done cut up, okay? Put all your cabbage up in now. All right, let me show you. All right, y'all, so now look, just go ahead on in there with that, mix that cabbage up. I want y'all to let the potatoes and that there cabbage, y'all, cook up for about 15 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, y'all see the little bubbles right there? That's the acid from the red gravies. Go ahead on and just get that on out of there, okay? You ain't gotta get all of it, but just take it, put it in the bowl, okay? Just scrape the top of it. All right, y'all, so we getting there, so check it out. I wanna see like a bowl like this, y'all, for about 15 minutes. That's when we're gonna cook the potatoes down. That's what's gonna have us good to go, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some more vegetables, okay? But let this go like this for 15 minutes, okay? All right, y'all, so get your 2 cans of mixed vegetables, okay? Drain the juice out of them and go ahead and pour them on in, okay? Get those up in there. Now we're getting somewhere. This is how you know you're almost done and your soup's about to be done and you're gonna be good and enjoying, okay? Get you 1 can of the whole corn right there. And like I say, y'all, if you can, get your good name brand vegetables because it does definitely affect the taste in this, okay? And then just 1 can of green beans. All right, go with that. And of course, 1 can of green peas, okay? Go ahead and go with that. All right, and then just give it a mix around, y'all. In about 15 minutes, we'll be good to go. Now look, y'all, of course, y'all can go with fresh vegetables if you want to. This is just kind of my faster way because it's already a process that takes a while. But y'all come look inside the pot and you see where we at. Check that out, y'all. Check all that out. 1 big old pot. All right, y'all, so now we done went ahead on and put the vegetables in there. Remember earlier we added all that water. So go ahead now and add you like a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning, and you'll be good to go. Give it all a mix, okay? All right, y'all, so check it out. It's been 15 minutes since we put them vegetables in there. Let's go ahead, you can go ahead and shut it down, make a bowl. Let's go. All right, y'all, so now it's just time to enjoy. We got the vegetable soup, got you some crackers. Make sure you got enough butter. Put some butter on them crackers and go ahead and enjoy your soup. It's absolutely delicious for sure. All right, y'all, so do me a favor. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the soup as well as what you want to see next.